ESGI makes reviewing test data really easy, but we also make it work best for you and your students. These 4 buttons on the right allow you to do that. This small feature is great for sharing images with students to show them the results. As you click into these other buttons, you see more and more details about each of the tests in a format that works best for you. For a quick snapshot of specific details, we suggest adding widgets. Widgets can be added using this plus sign at the top of your screen, and they can be customized based on class or individual students. Class widgets include the ones that you see right here and can be added in any number or format depending on what you want to see at the top of your screen. Check the boxes, click apply, and they will show up at the top so you can get a quick snapshot of specific data that you want to look at. Individual student widgets can also be added based on what you want to see at the top of your screen by clicking on the student name, clicking Add Widgets, and then selecting the widgets that you'd like to see populated for the students on an individual basis rather than your entire class at once. Click Apply, and those widgets now live at the top of your screen as well. Another great way to review data in a quick format is by using our expanded view of the test card. You simply click on any one of the test cards